How to create a WhatsApp group. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can create a WhatsApp group. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to create a WhatsApp group, you just need to follow some steps. So the very first step is open up your WhatsApp application. After opening up on your homepage, you will be able to see this plus icon. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, you will be able to see this new group. So just tap on new group. After tapping on new group, I just want you to select the people that you want to add to the group. Just select them. After selecting them, just tap on the screen arrow at the bottom. Just tap on it and you may create a group name, and you may also set it up accordingly, like group permissions, as you will be the admin of the group. You may also turn on this approve new members if you want and enable the option. After that, just tap on write. And that's how you basically create a group on WhatsApp. So therefore, by following this method, you can create a WhatsApp group. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.